Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today I am going to be unboxing this big box right here. Look at how big this package is. So this is actually from OnePlus. They were nice enough to send out their OnePlus 8T for us to go and take a look at here on the channel. So first of all, huge thanks and shout out to them for that, for sending this out. And honestly, I have no idea what's in this box besides the device itself. I was not expecting to get a package this big, and it's actually pretty heavy. I think it said it was about 8 pounds. So yeah, they definitely sent over some other stuff besides just the OnePlus 8T. So I'm actually really excited to check out this device. Let's go ahead and get into the box. So on this side of the box, it says Ultra stops at nothing. This is the media kit, OnePlus 8T. And then on the other side of the box, the same thing, Ultra stops at nothing. It just keeps repeating that over and over. So I believe this pulls up just like that. Look at this, it's covering pretty much half of my body. It probably doesn't look that big on camera, but here in person, it is definitely a big package. So how do I do this? Okay, I believe I gotta go like this. All right, so it says hello as soon as I open it, and I believe I just gotta pull this tab right here. Pulls this part up. Let's see what's in here. Okay, OnePlus 8T Reviewer's Guide. So this is just pretty much going to give me the rundown of the device. It's here to basically help me get to know this phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that over to the side over there. And okay, wow, okay, so we do have the device right here, which comes in a very tall box. Look at that. We got the 8T, definitely a tall box. I don't think I've ever had a phone that came in a box this tall. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side for now. And then it looks like we also got some pretty cool looking cases. All right, so I got two cases right here. They actually look really cool. They don't look bad at all. I really like this one here to my left. It looks really nice. Then we got like a nice matte, kind of like a bluish colored case. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those to the side as well. Is there anything else in here? It looks like we got another box in here. And nope, that's not a box. And I guess that's it. I wonder why this was so heavy. Just the box itself is really heavy. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that over there. And it looks like what came in the box was the device itself and two cases. So thank you OnePlus for sending this out for us to go ahead and take a look at. Let me go ahead and get my knife here. Let's cut this open. I need to get a knife, you know? I need to get an unboxing knife for the channel. That's actually my kitchen knife right there. So please excuse that. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and pull that top off just like that. Woo, that was a tight fit. All right, so the first thing we are greeted with once we open the box is another little box right here that has all your pamphlets, invitation letter, quick start guide, highest SAR value. We got some OnePlus stickers, so I'm definitely going to be throwing that on some stuff and some safety information, and that is it for that. Let me throw all that to the side over there, and then we get the OnePlus 8T itself. So let me go ahead and get this out of the box here. Look at that. Let's go ahead and pull this out. How does this go? Do I rip the plastic off? Okay, I ripped the plastic off. Just like that. Look at that. The OnePlus 8T. Let me go ahead and peel this sticker off in the back. We definitely don't need that. Oh, wow. Look at this color. So it's kind of like, honestly, I don't even know what color this, I don't know what this color is called. Lunar silver. But honestly, it kind of has like a bluish tint to it. At least that's what it looks like to me. It may just be my lighting. I don't have the best lighting here right now, but this is their lunar silver color OnePlus 8T. That camera module is looking pretty different than anything I've ever seen before on a smartphone, at least in person, and actually has a pretty cool look to it. It's got a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. It actually feels really good. And then you got the metal edges all the way around. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Let's see if it's got any juice. And it looks like it does have some juice. So it's getting started up there. I'm gonna go ahead and take the cases out of the box as well while we're waiting for that to start up. There we go. Then we can pull it out. And then we have the case. Oh, wow. Okay, so definitely a really good premium feeling case. It's a nice hard plastic with kind of a soft edges. Let me go ahead and just throw the phone in here. I just want to see what this feels like. Wow, that actually looks really nice. Look at that. So definitely a nice looking case. And I'm actually glad that OnePlus sent over some cases, because with my luck, I'll probably end up dropping this on accident like I have many devices. For some reason, this year 2020, I have broken a couple of devices. And yeah, my luck just hasn't been good this year when it comes to smartphone. Hopefully I won't drop this, but you know, you always got to have a case on hand ready to go just in case. And then we have this case right here. So let me throw this on. I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. Look at that. I'm really feeling this one right here. I think this is the one that I'm going to be using full time with this device. Okay, so let me go ahead and set this to the side for now. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we do have our charging cable, USB Type-C, and then let's see what else comes in the box. And then we have the power adapter as well. Warp Charge 65. So this is their Warp Charge 65 watt fast charger. Can't wait to test out the charging speeds on this device to see just how fast it charges up. So really curious about that. And if there's anything that you guys do want to know about this device that maybe you don't already know, or maybe someone hasn't covered yet, just let me know down in the comment sections below, and I'll make sure to do my best to go ahead and include that in some type of video. So it looks like that's all that comes into the box. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in real quick, get my stuff set up so we can go ahead and just take a quick look at the device itself. So I will be right back with you guys. All right, so I am back, signed in and ready to go. Now I don't have all of my apps downloaded just yet. I just kind of been messing around with it a little bit, just scrolling through the phone, just kind of getting that experience, because it has been a while since I've used a OnePlus device. The last OnePlus device I used was the OnePlus 7 Pro, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, which was one of the last OnePlus videos I made on this channel. So yeah, I believe it was the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I actually really liked that device, and I've always loved the OnePlus experience. So just kind of using this phone for a little bit, I am falling in love with that OnePlus experience all over again. Me personally, I think it's a lot better than using the actual stock Android experience. I think OnePlus does it better in my opinion. And then you just get a smooth experience with this device. You got that 120 hertz display that is just butter on this device, feeling really, really good. And it feels really good in the hands as well. It doesn't feel too big. It's not too small. Honestly, I think it's like the perfect size. Feels really good in the hands, and it's a beautiful display. Of course, we get that camera hole punch cutout up at the top left corner. Now, one thing that I did notice is that it comes with a pre-installed screen protector. Not a lot of companies do this, so it's really nice that we get that screen protector on there, so the device is already protected, at least the display right out of the box. So that's always a good thing. Then just going around the device, of course, we have a USB Type-C connection for the charging port. We got a microphone down at the bottom along with the SIM card slot. We got the speaker, and then we got a microphone up top as well, the buttons on the side. And above the power button, we have this toggle to be able to change it from silent to vibrate to the ring on. And then over to the left side, we have the volume rockers. Now this also has an in-display fingerprint sensor, which I found it to be working pretty good every single time. It's actually really fast as well. Let me do it one more time there. Boom. And I also checked out the cameras as well. I just took like 4 quick pictures. First one was a selfie portrait mode, which actually did a very good job at edge detection. It looks really good actually, and the lighting isn't the best in here either, so it did really good with that selfie portrait mode. And then I just took a picture of the case, the charging adapter along with the charging cable, did really good with that. I took a picture of my camera. I did a quick portrait mode of just the charging cable itself, and so far the camera seems to be really good. Of course, I'm going to really put it to the test to see just how good it is, especially with video. You guys know I'm all about video when it comes to my smartphone, so definitely look out for that. I will be doing some 4K video tests with this device to see just how well it performs. And like I mentioned earlier, if there's anything that you guys want to know about this device, just let me know down in the comments sections below. But I'm definitely going to be testing it out a lot. This will be one of my main devices that I continue to use over the next couple of weeks to get it ready for the full review. But I've really been looking forward to this device. I can't wait to start using it. Beautiful looking phone. Let me take it out of this case right here. Even though this case looks really cool, I gotta look at this device one more time, because without the case, it looks really, really nice. Of course, you get that OnePlus logo on the back along with OnePlus on the bottom. And what I really like about this is it's kind of like a frosted matte finish, so it's not going to attract too many fingerprints. I'm really glad that they didn't go with a glossy finish, and that's one thing that I liked about the OnePlus 7 Pro, is that it had a nice matte finish to it, and I always love that matte finish on a smartphone. Like I said, it prevents you from being able to see any of those fingerprints, and right now I am not seeing any at all, and it just feels really good in the hands as well. So far as first impressions go, as far as the looks go, really loving the overall look of the device. The small experience that I've had with this so far has been really good as well. Super smooth experience. Like I said, this 120 hertz, you just can't go wrong, and the display looks beautiful. The colors are nice and vibrant, they just pop. So for first impressions, I can already tell that I am going to enjoy my time with this device, but of course I'm going to continue using it so I could really go in depth with it to see what I really think about this a few days from now, maybe a few weeks from now. But like I said, y'all let me know what you want to know down in the comments sections below, and what do you think about this device? I know there's already a lot of videos out there on YouTube right now for everything that you guys have seen on this device so far. What do you guys think about it? Let me know down in the comments sections below if you did like this video and sharing this first impressions with me. Make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This has been my unboxing and impressions with the OnePlus 8T. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.